Edo Governor Govunor Obaseki on Thursday dashed out cash rewards to the state female football team Edo Queens as they received warm welcome back to Edo State with plenty show by thousands of fans and other residents after they make history with their ogbonge win for the Super 6 playoff to collect the ticket to represent Nigeria for the CAF Women Champions League. Belle sweet all the fans wey join body with Edo First Lady Dr. Obaseki, wey lead and join the motorcade of the Victorious Edo Queens from Western Boys High School for Ikpobahi and hailed the team through Aduwawa, Akpakpava, Plymouth, Ring Road down to Enda for Government House Benin City, where Governor Govunor Obaseki with the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party PDP, Dr. Aswe Ighodalo, and other top government officials for received the victorious girls. The governor praised the team for their excellent campaign for the 2023-2024 season of the Nigerian Women Football League and the victory for the Super 6 tournament, and also assured them of the state government's continued support. Oga Obaseki talk say Belle sweet and wella, and he dey proud as the girls don't make us proud by bringing the trophy home, and say each player of the team go get 1 million naira for their achievement, while the coaches go get 5 million naira. He encourage them to continue to work hard as him and the government go continue to support them, and say whether in day here or not, the person will go replace him as governor go continue to support the girls.
So rest assured, we've made arrangements. For the commission, government will never end. By the grace of God, I'll leave September 21st. I'll hand over to Dr. Aswe Ighodalo. And I'm sure if I don't buy your bus before I leave, he will buy the bus. We're going to sit down with the commission to review your match allowances and the amounts we normally give to you on a monthly basis. We have to anyway because things have changed since the last approval I gave. But these are just monetary appreciations. We want you to be a symbol of hope, of renewal, particularly for the young girls of Edo State, so that they know that there's so much opportunity at home, there's so much that you can do being here, and that your government cares about you and love you. I will support you to be whatever you want to be in your lives. Each and every one of you who played in this tournament will be given 1 million naira. The coaches will give you 5 million naira. For the other administrators of the club will also give you 5 million naira. And for the supporters club will give you 2.5 million naira. This is just a token to show appreciation.
Edo First Lady Dr. Obaseki contacted Belle sweet her wella and encourage the girls to keep their sight up and not think of failing or losing anything from now on.
I'm just so happy, so excited. You will stand strong and keep going higher and higher. You keep your sights up. Don't entertain any thought of losing anything from now on. And by God's grace, you come back giving us more victories from henceforth. Congratulations again.
Edo Queens FC head coach Moses Aduku and Chemo Bende Insurance Supporters Club Chief Osadolo Ogeva talk say
the first season, honestly, preparation was good. Governor, I thank you very much because everything we needed, we got it. But honestly, we failed you. The first season I came. And the chairman said to me, Coach, what next? I said to him, my slogan is work in progress. I said, Chairman, I have 2 years contract, work in progress. I will get it right. Just give me another year. And he has been very supportive, very, very supportive.
I'm here with my people to celebrate with my darling Edo Queens. For some years now, we have been fighting for this cup. And in your time, today, we are winning that cup. And it's a pride to Edo State.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Government House Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.